Hi there, my name is Laura Edwards and I'm in a blazer, so let's talk about some stuff.
So that is a nice little preview. Here's my intro slide. It talks about Clostridium tetani and how it's going to kill us. We should fear the tetani because of these virulence factors, such as being gram-positive, the ability to produce spores in oxygen, and flagella, the motility, increases virulence. Clostridium tetani enters through our open wounds, and immunization is the only prevention. Now let's see how much of this we can get through because I had to delete a lot of apps on my phone just for the space to record. Wow, pictures. So the bacterium is gram-positive, and the endospores are our spoon-looking suckers, and the vegetative form are the rods. So in the presence of oxygen, our vegetative form, which can reproduce, turns into our endospore form, which cannot reproduce, but is much hardier. They can live through some antiseptics and increased heats. We have a pretty great video about the flagella and the Petrarchus organization of the flagella, in that it is randomly assorted around the cell. You can see it moving in this video. Around 34 seconds in, it really gets to moving a lot, which is interesting. And this flagella adds to the virulence factor. Wow, look at that. Now we can talk about how this bacterium gets into the human body. We have an open wound, and the bacteria enters through that and starts to germinate. During germination, produces toxins in the brain, neurotoxins which are deadly to humans, and then you see some of these symptoms like this fantastic smile produced by lockjaw on this gentleman that is in a diaper. Wow, that's some great animation right there. So this bacterium is found just about anywhere: soil, dust, sediment, human intestinal tracts, animal intestinal tracts, and in the healthy female reproductive system. So be careful out there, kids. Spores make this bacterium more virulent, which we had spoken about. It can survive for years in its endospore form. So one common misconception about Clostridium tetani is that being impaled by a rusty object can cause tetanus. This isn't necessarily true, but if we think about it, if you're walking barefoot on the ground and you step on some type of nail or something, anything to create an open wound, and continue to walk on the ground, you're stepping on dust and dirt and soil, hopefully not animal intestinal tracts or human intestinal tracts, but I don't know you, and that could cause the bacterium that's in this soil to get into the wound and cause you to catch Clostridium. So the only way to prevent Clostridium tetani is to be immunized, and here's some symptoms for if you may have Clostridium tetani and you don't even know it. You're just walking around, you got lockjaw, you can't really move, but you don't really know what's going on, you don't have health insurance just like me. Check this little infographic out. It seems to be very helpful, and it'll let you know if you got it. Here is my bibliography with all the references that I used and helped me learn a lot. I hope it helped y'all learn a lot. You have officially been warned by me, and I hope that everyone has a nice day and bears with me over the fact that I had to go through this a little bit quick because of my camera and the space, and enjoy this wonderful picture of this gentleman getting a tiny, tiny needle in his arm. Now have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.